we're back. Last night we ran out of sunlight. Sun went down on us, but we did get it fired up. Briefly, for a split second. But we still got some things to do today. Again, Jesse's heading up on his way up. But we're like 95% done, you guys. 95% done. All I gotta do is we gotta build an intake real quick on the Galants, the factory spot for the batteries right here. But you know, we picked up that battery location kit, got the little battery tray. We got a little small battery down there, so that's chilling without extending this big old wire loom. Did a nice little like battery post here. Some quick little self tappers to the body there. Made a nice little heavy duty wire we got ran down to the battery. But now that leaves us all kinds of room right here to build the intake. So I'm gonna start doing that. We gotta slap the windshield washer bottle back in there, but that's no big deal. Top off some fluids, and man, that's pretty damn close. And then we should be going in doing some road tuning, some street tuning and stuff here shortly. So a couple more hours of work still left to do, but try to get it wrapped up. Man, I don't know where you guys are out here in Colorado, but it's hard to tell on the camera, but it's pretty smoky today. It was pretty nice and clear yesterday, but the wind's blowing it in bad today. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the show, enjoy the movie, and on to time lapses. I've been out here knocking shit out. Kind of forgot about the camera, so time lapses might have ran out. But so another upgrade coming in for the Galant. So we had an issue. I started mocking up the intake, and then this stock hunk of junk. These things move some air, but they're too damn thick. So
that's what she said.
That's what she said. So luckily I got a parts car in the garage. So we've been yanking shit off of, but so anyways, yeah, we just ended up throwing my whole radiator setup and shit off my car. Nice silicone hoses, slimline fan wired into the factory wiring, so the ECU will still kick it on. We can run a switch and all that ghetto shit. I'm gonna eventually go like a half-size radiator or something in the future. But so we're at gonna slap some coolant in there, and then I can continue all kinds of room for activities now to make the intake. So it's a little update. That's where we're at right now. Still smoky as shit out here. It's like we're smoking cigarettes all day. So check back in here in a little bit. Peace. Hey, that's what we got welded up here. We got the intake pipe all good to go. She's all cooled off. Slap on a little bracket there for support. So pretty much got all the fab work as far as welding wrapped up. Jesse's out here. He's got these. Set that down there for now. These badass JDM headlights came with the car. Another still. So just gotta do some wiring and shit. A little bit different than the US spec. So slapping some new spark plugs in it. Got some 8s. Having a brain fart. NGK ADSs. We run a little bit more boost. You know, that spark blowout. Get that swapped out. Slap an intake on. Get these headlights finished wired up. Clutch, brake fluid. And top off some oil, and we should be ready to hit the road. So it's getting close. We gotta move a trailer too, and a basketball hoop. That's all quick shit. So grinding away. Got a lot of bass tuning and everything. Still got to set the bass timing. Still got to get the injectors and stuff dialed in. So got a lot of computer work still to do. But look at it, just fired up, just running. So get a little bit of heat in her. We got to check the coolant level. We got a few other things to do, but the sun's starting to set. It's getting a little dark out here. So we're going to get moved in front of the garage. So that way we got more light. That's what we're up to, folks. I was inevitable. Yep. You can get it like centered. Really? Pull it up more. Yeah. Okay. All right, she moves on her own power. Now back to work. Voyage.
About to, I don't know about maintenance, it's got 225,000 miles.
We're about to, well, this build's got 0 on it. So we're about ready to hit the streets. Got the idle going, as you can tell. Thing's idle and it's purring like a kitty. So Jesse's just double checking the air and the tires. And then we'll go do some part throttle tuning real quick. And then, yeah, we'll do some, maybe we'll do some pulls. See what's up with the thing. So it's exciting, man. It's exciting. You know, we still gotta figure out the bumper situation. Got a few little cosmetic things to do, but well, yeah, we're ready to rock and roll. So let's go party. Just over here?
Yes.
Cool. You got butterflies?
A little bit.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm not, I can tell you that.